Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Nadeem Asghar, representing Department of Electronics Engineering, University of Engineering and Technology Texla, and Syndicate of Embedded and Electronic Design. So today I will present about emotion recognition system using pulse plethysmograph PUBG. These are the contents that I will cover. Firstly, I will talk about introduction, objective. Basically, present focus of researchers is on human-computer interaction to empower computer systems. So our objective is to provide an efficient algorithm for emotion recognition system to improve human-computer interaction for better use of artificial intelligence or AI. Motivation. Basically, emotion recognition system is very important for advancement and development of modern technology, and existing method for emotion recognition system are less accurate, expensive, and complex. So we have proposed methodology that is simple, low cost, and accurate as compared to existing methods. Arousal and valence. Basically, these are two aspects of studying emotions, and both of these represent concentration of emotions. So from diagram you can see that valence tells about kind of emotion, which kind, that may be positive or negative, and arousal is degree of that emotion, from low to high, or from, you can say that, calming to excitement. So we have worked on 5 emotions, which includes amazement, confusion, ecstasy, fear, and loathing. Literature survey. We have gone through different articles and publications to understand what has done till now regarding emotion recognition systems. Different methods were used, different techniques were employed uh, to get best possible results. And we can see that, like EEG sensor, Phantom Jeffy, NN Chinese interactive model, and many other sensors were used for getting best possible results. But after detailed analysis, we concluded that EEG sensor is best among all of the sensors that we have gone through, whose accuracy is 84.75, which is highest accuracy among all of the sensors that among all of the method that we have gone through. Now, methods and materials. Firstly, I will discuss about data acquisition. So we have used pulse plethysmograph sensor for data acquisition, and signals 594 samples were collected of 5 different emotions under investigation, and the table you can see that shows complete details of data set that we have worked on along with classes. So after data acquisition, our next step was pre-processing. So to denoise signal, we have used empirical mode decomposition along with its intrinsic mode function 4 and residue. It is totally based on our observation and experimentations. So here is time domain raw PUBG signal of our 5 emotions, and here is frequency domain raw PUBG signal diagram. You can see that from figure you can see that these signal have power line interface. Power line interface basically noise that come during data acquisition. So to remove that noise, pre-processing is done. So here is time domain pre-processed PUBG signal, and you can see that next frequency domain drop pre-processed PUBG signal, that power line interface has been removed completely from the signal, and now you have pre-processed filtered signal. So after pre-processing, our next step was feature extractions. Feature extraction is quite, you can say, the time-taking process, as we have worked on approximately 100 features, and to sort out best among them is quite complicated and time taking, so it has to cover time. But finally we have achieved maximum average classification accuracy using these 22 features as mentioned here: mean, standard deviation, skewness, and these all are mentioned here. You can see that. So we have classification. So we have used ensemble bag-trees classifier for classifying our emotions. Ensemble bag-tree is strong and you can say that important classifier in electronic signal analysis. That's why we have used it and it works for us. As you can see at the right side pie chart, it gives us maximum average accuracy of 90.7% or 91%. So here is graph of classifier along with ensemble bag-trees. We have fine tree, medium tree, fine KNN, KNNK nearest neighbor, and weighted KNN, linear support vector machine SVM, quadratic SVM, cubic SVM, medium Gaussian SVM, and we have ensemble reboosted tree and ensemble bag-trees. So from graph you can see that ensemble bag-tree has highest accuracy among all of the classifiers, as we have mentioned earlier. So here is confusion matrix and scatter plot of our project. So scatter plot is we have scatter plots of total harmonic distortion and zero crossing ratio for our classes, that's emotions. And we have confusion matrix of ensemble bag-trees which shows average accuracy of each classifier, percentage accuracy of each classifier. So finally, to conclude all the things, I can say that our design framework based on effective signal analysis and classification to distinguish between several emotions is simple, cost effective and accurate as compared to other methods. So in future our aim is to work on some more emotions to formulate our versatility in the field of emotion recognition systems. Thank you. I hope you like it.